How to fix installation error on Microsoft Office during setup in Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to the Start menu and search for Task Manager. In the process, search for Microsoft Word and End Task. After that, restart your device and your problem should have been fixed. If the problem still exists, simply follow the second method. For that, simply go to Start menu and search for Windows Security. Then after, in Settings, go to Virus and Threat Protection and run a quick scan. After that, run the steps provided by the scan to fix any program. Then after the next method, you simply need to open Run Application, click Window plus R, and in Open, simply type firewall.cpl. After that, once you come to this Window Defender firewall, in the left hand side, click Allow an app. In Change Setting, simply click on it and choose Microsoft. Also click on Another application, click on Browse, and from your File Explorer choose Microsoft Office. Click on Add and then click on OK. Last but not the least, open Control Panel, go to Start menu and search for Control Panel. Then after, simply head toward Program and Feature once you are in Control Panel. Search for Microsoft, click on Change at the top and choose the option of Repair. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.